For the next part of our video, we're going to be working on slide 2, which is going to be the About Us slide. So we're going to start with a new slide. So select this drop down under new slide and we're going to create a blank slide. Let's start with a shape. Go over to shapes and we're going to insert a rectangle and I'm just going to click there. Change the fill of the rectangle to black and outline. We're going to select no outline. For dimensions, change the height of this rectangle. We don't even need to do that. Let's just increase it to cover the entire height of the slide. Go back to shape format and for the width, make it 25.5. And I'm going to move it all the way to the left here. Let's insert an image next. So go over to insert and we're going to go to pictures and then stock images. Give that a moment and we're going to search for meeting and scroll down, select this image and then insert. Change the height of this image to 17.2, move it all the way to the right and then select this crop option and we're going to move this handle till we are in between 6, well, just like 6.5, basically, no, 5.5 or minus 5 or 5, basically in between 6 and 5 on this side. And just click on escape to close that dialog. Next, go to shapes, rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle here. Change the fill of this rectangle to white and then remove the outline. Select no outline. Let's change the dimensions. Height is going to be 15.2 and width is going to be 12.4. And just align this rectangle to the bottom of just the center, so you may still see part of this image. That's fine. And I'm going to move this a little bit to the right at around, let's see, somewhere here. Okay, now let's insert our text. Go over to insert, select text box and I'm just going to type in this text, which is going to be about us. Select the entire text box, change the font to railway and size is 44. I'm going to change the alignment of the text to center and I'm also going to align this text box to the center of this white rectangle. I'm going to create a copy of just the text box. So select the text box and I'm going to move this here. Maybe, okay, let's say something like this. I'm just going to select the entire text box and change the font to Open Sans. Change the size to 20 and the alignment is going to be left. Let's come over to our notes so I can grab our text. So this is going to be our text. I'm going to copy that, select everything here and then paste in our text. And because I pasted it in, it actually changed it, so there was no point doing that. I'm just going to do that again. Open sans size is going to be 20 and I'm just going to increase the width of this text box so that we'll have something like this. Select this who we are and then just make that part bold. Let me move this a little bit to the right like this. Now I'm just going to create a copy of this text box again, so Control and Shift to keep it aligned while also maintaining same spacing we have on top here. If that's actually what's going on, maybe I'll just move this so we'll have equal spacing. We may have to move it, but we'll see about that. I'm going to grab this text and I'm going to come here, select everything and paste. Select the entire text box, change the font to Open Sans, change the size to 20. I'm just going to select this founded, make it bold, and industry served, make it bold also, and increase the width of this text box like this. And that's it for the About Us slide. So let's see what it looks like in the slideshow. This is it. But one more final detail we can do is add an animation to our text. Now go over to the Animations tab and select this About Us, and we're going to use floating. Come over to Start. This is going to be with previous, and I'm going to select this to use the same animation. Now select this one, make the start after previous, and this one to change this to after previous. Let's go back to the slideshow and see what it looks like. So when I start this slide, we're going to have our text coming one at a time. And yeah, that's it for the About Us slide.